In this video, we will learn how to create a custom function on the user schema that will do the password comparing. So if you take a look at here, the objective in this video is to compare the password that you enter with the password in the database to see whether they are matched or not. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and dive in. So let's go back to our Visual Studio. And right below here, you want to type in UserSchema.methods. To create a custom function, you have to add methods, then any name of your choice. Bcrypt has a function called compareSync. Technically what it does is it compares between the password that you type in with the password that has been encrypted in the database. So technically we pass in the password that you type in and the password in the database. That's it. In this video, we learn how to create a custom function which is to compare password that the user types in and in the database. In the next video, we will create another custom function that will generate a custom image every time a user signs up. I'll see you guys in the next video.